By the end of this, I'm hoping not to look like an Oompa Loompa. I'm hoping to look like a bronze goddess. Good morning, guys. Today, I will be doing a full face of Dollar Tree makeup with my eyes inspired by the new NARS Afterglow Tempting Eyeshadow Palette. How does that sound? Using all Dollar Tree. Let's begin. So, first thing that I have is the bronzer drops. I'm going to be adding these drops to the sunscreen. Pray for me. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, so I put on both of my sunscreens, and let's check out these bronzing drops. I've tried the bronzing drops on their own, but I've never mixed it in with my sunscreen before. So I don't know what to do. I think I'll just put it on like I would a foundation. Maybe. This is not going to be good. But oh well, it's fun. We'll see. I can always add more sunscreen to it if it goes awry. These are by Be Pure, if I didn't say that. Okay, so, well, I'll start with my neck. Let me see. Sorry, I can't see, guys. So, okay. Do you see the color change at all? Did I not add enough? All right. So the neck didn't look like it got very much. Maybe I should add some more. Okay, I'm going to add about that much more. We'll do, oh boy. Okay, well, we're going for it. We're going to be bronzed. We may as well be bronzed. Okay. All right. Well, I thought it would be a lot darker, but it's not. Okay. It does take down the whiteness of the sunscreen. And I don't think it's shiny. I just think it's the sunscreen's texture, the dewiness from the sunscreen. Okay, I'm going to finish it up. Okay, well, I look a little weird, a little red. I don't mind it. I have this LA Colors Shimmer Bronzer in Sun Goddess that I'm going to be putting on my shoulders and a little bit more on my face. And let's hope for the best. On my lips is the Hydrating Lip Serum by Be Pure in the cherry flavor, and it looks like this. Love this stuff. And on my brows, I did the Soap Brow by e.l.f. This isn't Dollar Tree, but I don't have a brow gel or wax from Dollar Tree. I don't think they make one. Also, I'll be using the Milani Eye Primer. They don't, at this point, have an eye primer at Dollar Tree that I know of. I haven't seen one. By the end of this, I'm hoping not to look like an Oompa Loompa. I'm hoping to look like a bronze goddess. So today, I'm not going to add my eyeliner, but I did put on the Benefit Fan Fest Mascara. And out of the two eyebrow gels from e.l.f., I prefer the Brow Lift to the Soap Brow. Thought I'd let you know. Okay, let's begin with the eyes. The eye look that I will be creating from the Afterglow NARS Tempting Eyeshadow Palette is right there. Okay, so the eyeshadow palettes you will need from LA Colors are Feeling Good, and I will be using shade number 1 and 2. And Cruise Control, I will be using shade number 1. Okay, so the eye look has this color here all over the lid, so I'm going to do that. I think it's up into the crease as well. This is so weird for me, guys. I don't even know. Not having my eyeliner. But, I can do it for one day. And I will probably add my eyeliner later, if it need be. So this color here is duping the shade Love Me Not in the NARS Tempting Eyeshadow Palette. I'm sorry, guys. I called this shade Love Me Not. The shade is Feeling It. I'm sorry. So again, this shade here, all over this eye. It's weird doing an eye look with the same eyeshadow palette on both eyes. I've been duping so many lately. I don't know what I'm doing. Just doing more on this side. Okay, so that is just a shimmery light pink. Very spring. This is making a very nice one and done. It really is. It's adding depth in the crease. So I don't know if it's picking up on camera. I don't know. Can't see because I'm looking in the lens, not at me. Okay, so there's that shade. That was this shade again, just for reminders. This one is the dupe for Love Me Not. And Love Me Not goes in the inner corner of the eye. Get it together, woman. Oh. Okay, so that goes right in here. It's just a very light white. And this one has a little bit of yellow tone in it, which I believe the NARS has as well. Did they bring it down? Yes. I want it to really pop, because if this is all I'm doing, then it better at least be there if I'm going through all this. Okay, and the third shade is Haze from the NARS Tempting Eyeshadow Palette. And in mine, it's from Feeling Good, and it's the first shade right there. And it's just under the eye. And it went right into the corner. I'm actually going to add a little bit of this shade here because it's a little deeper of a pink. So I'm going to add this one. This is how it rolls when you're doing eye looks from pictures. You don't know until, so I'm using the third shade again. This shade has shimmer in it. The Haze shade is matte. I prefer the shimmer. The other shade was matte, but it was just a bit too light. I don't know, it could have been enhanced. It could be. The picture could be enhanced. I don't know. I haven't swatched this palette. This is just an inspired by, guys. So, you know, there it is. That eye is really pretty. So I'm going to add more mascara from Benefit because this eye is a little too little for me. So I'm going to add just a little bit of what is called Haze just to here, just because my eye shape needs that. And that's okay. It's not in the picture, but that's okay. And in the picture also, it looks like Love Me Not is a little bit here as well. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that there as well. There we go. I'm actually really happy with this eye look. I always do a wing, and I don't think I need to. I think this is very beautiful, very spring. I'm actually really happy with it. So you're probably leaving the video now, but if you want to see the rest of the face, just keep watching. I'm going to use Be Pure's blurring primer just here, 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 and there. I'm just patting it in. I don't want to move around anything. And I do this over top because you're supposed to put things over sunscreen, not under sunscreen. The foundation that I will be using is the Cosmic Colors in shade number 4. Let's see how this goes over all of that bronzer. You don't need a lot of this, and this stuff is really good. I was quite happy with it. It is cheese-like, I've said in several videos. That's fun. It's fine. It blends really well. It stays all day. It is matte. Since I'm sticking with Dollar Tree on my face, I'm going to use the trio of the Glow Ups, the Glow Up Wands by Be Pure. And I'm going to start with the Fair Medium Contour shade. I love that. Oh, I might have put on too much. Never. You can never have enough contour, in my opinion. I'm going to take my stippling brush. I got to clean it off. This stuff is wonderful. And it's in Canada now, guys. It's about time. Just taking excess, running it down the nose. Okay. So I am going to be using the soft pink with the ballerina pink. I just need it to be a little bit deeper, but I want to use this guy too. I like this color a lot. But I want a little deeper underneath. So kind of like my Cheekers Instant Cheekbones. I'm hoping this works. I've never tried it. We'll just see how it goes along with me. just experimenting. Why not? So that it's lighter up here and darker here, right over top of the contour. I've gotten so used with my Cheekers Instant Cheekbones doing that I was missing it with my other blushes. Then I just thought, well, why not do it with the other ones? Like, why not? And I think that worked great. I can totally see the difference. I'm going to add the Shimmering Pearl highlighter from the Be Pure Glow Up Wands, dupe for Charlotte Tilbury. I've never used Charlotte Tilbury, I don't know, but I'm not spending $57. I'm not. Get a grip, Charlotte. I don't mean to offend anybody, but I'm sorry. It's ridiculous. It's just makeup. It's not gold. This looks shinier on this side, but it's not. It really isn't. It's the same. Okay, what's next? Oh, eyebrows. What I'm going to use for my eyebrows today is the LA Colors Eyebrow Eyeliner Lip Liner Pencil in dark brown. I'll do that off camera. So before I do my lips, I'm going to bronze with the Sun Goddess bronzer from LA Colors Dollar Tree. I'm just going to add more contour because why not? If I'm bronzed, it would be there. Don't know where I'm looking, sorry. So I need to do a little bit of fixing here, getting into those little creases and, not creases, holes on my shoulder right here. Lack of a better word. And my shoulder, yeah, my shoulder. I do down my arm too, why not? So both shoulders, this goes on very well. And I have in front of me my NARS, and I'm choosing to use my LA Colors. Don't worry, guys. I would blend and blend and blend and do all the things in the bathroom. I can't really do all of the bronzing sitting here because there's not enough room, and I need to see in better lighting where it all goes, but you get the gist. So I may look a little weird, but that's just because I can't see my body in the mirror here. Putting it over the nose. I'm going to grab a different brush for that. It's just an angled e.l.f. contour brush. I don't know. It's actually the e.l.f. bronzing brush. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to add more bronzer there. I got carried away. That's okay. We're a bronzed goddess. Yes, we are. With a very light, beautiful pink eye. I really like guys, for the lips, I am using the Cosmic Colors Shimmer Lipstick in shade number 5. It's a very beautiful, sheer, shimmery pink. And for the lip liner, I am going to be using the eyeliner, brow pencil, and lip liner, dark brown from LA Colors. This just adds a shadow to the lip line and a little bit of definition, but without adding like a harsh color, if that makes sense. Ugh. This color is stunning. So this is the finished look, guys. I feel fresh, I feel youthful, I feel bronzed, and this eye look is to die for. It's killer. So is the NARS Afterglow Tempting Eyeshadow Palette worth it? No, not when you have Dollar Tree to dupe it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.